Firstly, I am thankful to Evision Technoserve. This is me, Arjun K. I belong to Kannur, Kerala. I have completed my bachelor degree in physics in the year 2020 from Srinarayana College, Kannur, Kerala. And I wanted to join IT companies, and I got to know about Evision through online platforms. I joined Evision on 15th October 2022 and learned many new IT technologies through this online job internship program. Other than the technical skills, they also help us to improve our communication skills as well. They conduct regular mock interviews and provide us with the chances of taking presentations. The HR team and the trainers are very good here. They have great knowledge and they are very supportive. And finally, I am happy that I got selected at HCL with a salary package of 3 LPA. I am thankful to Evision and the entire team and all my trainers. Thank you, Evision. Thank you.